Estradiol does have side effects. Let's talk about melasma. Melasma is the darkening of your skin, which is caused by an excess of estrogen, particularly estradiol. Estradiol stimulates melanin, which gives your skin color. When you have excess estradiol, especially in relationship to progesterone, you'll have an increase in melanin, which shows up as dark splotches, usually on your face. These brown to gray-brown patches can be found on the cheeks, the chin, the bridge of the nose, the forehead, and above the upper lip. How can you manage this particular estradiol side effect? First, make sure you have an adequate amount of progesterone. If you're estrogen dominant and you're premenopausal, you're taking progesterone in the second half of your cycle will help. I recommend GenPro transdermal progesterone cream, at least 100 milligrams twice a day in the second half of your cycle. And if you're postmenopausal on estradiol, you need at least 100 milligrams of progesterone for every 1 milligram of estradiol you're taking. If you already have melasma, using hydroquinone in a cream or gel form can help to lighten the area. A dermatologist can also offer laser treatment, chemical peels, dermabrasion, or microabrasion. Remember to actually reduce melasma. You must keep your estrogen and progesterone levels in balance. Supporting your hypothalamus with Genesis Gold can help balance all of your hormones. If you have any questions, please join us in our Hormone Reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.